looking good. I think the other side is the mechanics of the dog fighting bug me a lot with rotate fights. Yeah, where it doesn't play out much like a traditional head-to-head combat. Yeah, even in atmosphere, it's the same. Okay. I hear what she's saying. I hear what she's saying. I hear it. And that's the thing. I can't wait for the DLC to come out for Elden Ring. That's one thing. But you know, there was a leak that popped out, and it was basically, you know, not going to come out until next year. Otherwise, I think I would enjoy it much more because it wasn't just a bit slugfest. Yeah. But, well, you know, like what other games are out there? You know, like I just think to myself, like, what else is out there to play? And it's not even just because of the content. I mean, you want something that's fun to play, you know? Do we have an actual date of when the Star Citizen the total wipe is gonna happen? Do we have a date yet, or it's just still whatever date is free to play and it's a Dragon Rider arena game? Okay. I'm just wondering if we have an actual date of the actual wipe of Star Citizen. Plus, I also think, you know, with Star Citizen, I find it that, you know, you're waiting, you're spending a lot of time. Then I heard of everything, so it's an update actual wipe.